Hello, and welcome to the short introductory video on Arista multi-domain segmentation services technology. Today we're going to review three things: why this technology is relevant, what this technology is actually doing, and how this technology is different from any other segmentation technologies available in the marketplace. Let's start by reviewing why this technology is important. The traditional network perimeter has been collapsing now for a while. Companies have been going more hybrid, users are more and more distributed, the majority of the devices in the network is actually unmanaged, and most of the applications are distributed in multiple data centers or between data centers and public clouds. When an attack happens and a breach occurs, in most networks, the malware can spread laterally without any control, infecting users, devices, and workloads, and then eventually leading to exfiltration of important company data. A new approach to segmentation complementing the traditional perimeter security is needed. And this approach, of course, is an approach where segmentation is built around the identity of the endpoint to minimize the lateral movement. And this is where Arista multi-domain segmentation services technology comes into the picture. The Arista multi-domain segmentation services technology is composed of four services. Number one, the ability to import microperimeter information built around the identity of the endpoint from multiple sources, both in campus and data centers. As you can see in the slide here, CloudVision and the network data lake of CloudVision can ingest endpoint identity from multiple NAC systems in campus or multiple databases for the data center, whether it's a VMware vSphere or ServiceNow. Second, once the identity of all the endpoints is stored in the CloudVision network data lake, the next step consists of defining the zero trust policy. And MSS helps or aids the process by building an extensive traffic map of all the communications in the network. So the user can define the policies to explicitly allow the traffic that is deemed trusted in the network. The third service consists of enforcing these policies. The enforcement of the policy occurs in the network at wire speed, where traffic can be permitted or denied, or alternatively, traffic can also be redirected to a traditional perimeter firewall for layer 4 to 7 stateful services. Once the zero trust policies are defined and programmed in the network, it is necessary to continuously monitor the traffic and the full visibility into the flows that are violating the policies. This will not only allow the system to detect violations to the zero trust policies, but also enable the users to update the policy and the rules in case new applications unknown to the network come online. And the combination of these four services is what we define as Arista MSS. And last, we want to cover how this technology is actually highly differentiated. Number one, this is the only switch-based microsegmentation technology which gives the user a single operational model for campus, branch, and data center. Second, this technology is completely based on standard-based networking. There are no custom protocols and there is no need for any custom hardware. The beauty of this approach is that it's easy to fit in any brownfield multi-vendor network environment. Third, this technology doesn't rely on any software or any agents running on the endpoints. Therefore, you can deploy this technology on the smallest IoT sensor in campus or in the biggest exascale database in the data center, completely agnostic to any endpoints. Fourth, this technology enables integration with multiple external asset management systems, and it simplifies drastically the process of managing the microperimeters. And fifth, this technology, the MSS technology, gives you all the tools to eliminate any blind spots from the network. to enable a safe deployment of your Zero Trust policies. To learn more about Arista MSS, go to arista.com/security. Thank you.